Markham Station right over here, as you can see. And are you hungry, guys? Well, are you are? Okay. Well, we're hungry. We're gonna get some food in there, and I'm gonna give you some. You're gonna dig in that food, and then we're gonna be finished, and we're gonna go out, and we're gonna explore. Okay, good? Come on, guys. Wow, guys, is this so delicious? You want some? Hi guys, I'm kind of full today and we're gonna go out after actually, so I'm gonna meet you there. Okay guys, I'm gonna let you order guys what we ordered today. This is chicken, this is a station chicken, and that's station bowl, and this is just pancake, you already know, and these are just cups that we ordered. And guys, I got a haircut today. You must really go here, but it's in Scarborough. It's one of the best places, and you can get lots of food, except you can't get puris and stuff and those. You can't get those. And the best thing you can get here is iced coffee. You can get a normal coffee. You can get any type of coffee. Not any type of coffee. You can just get some coffee. It's one of the best places around here. I know that. The best part is it's open at the midnight. Okay guys, if you're in Scarborough, if you can't find any shops that are open, come to Markham Station. It's the best place around here. And if you can come here, you could have so much fun with those dinners, and it's so tasty, and you'll want to eat it right now, like right away. Let me just start riding. I'm just kidding. I can't ride, I'm just 7. But let's get out of here first and get to our normal one. Here it is, our actual one. Hey, it's there. Sorry. Let's go. The actual one right over so close by. We could just walk there. But I will see you later. Bye.